than a trace of my own God-given ray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray on 10 fatal ways, so then praise him for the sunny days. Like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to a new clear blue and unconditional skies. Have took the tears from my eyes, from my lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for tooting cane into your own vein? What a shame you shoot and aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and in this day and time for fall and pray to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations in hopes of coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you.
Chasing waterfalls.